What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here and welcome to this tutorial. This weekend I've spent a bit of time listening to some old PVD sets from sort of 2003, and I was listening to some of the sort of, those old classic style trance tracks, and I was focusing a lot on the sort of percussion sounds that they had. And they've got this sort of really unique sort of driving percussion sounds with lots of sort of movement in. So I thought it would be a good way to sort of show you a little tip on how to sort of do that, and sort of what I feel is being done within these loops to sort of give it this movement. Obviously, they could be done in a totally different way, but I'm just sort of trying to recreate that sort of sound. So I've got two little loops here, just this hat loop and also this other loop. Now, from what I'm hearing in these tracks, this is sort of what I feel is being done. So, as I say, it could be done in a totally different way, but I'm just going to try and recreate that sort of sound. So I'm going to go in and show you, I'm going to add a little bit of delay in here. So where are we? Delay, bit of stereo delay. Again, not going to focus too much on that. It's not going to be, there's no track to sort of for context for it to be in to get the exact settings or whatever like that. As I say, always different settings for different things. So again, just trying to add a bit of movement to this sound. So a little bit of delay on there, fast delay works. This works better as well with these sort of faster loops. A little bit of reverb on there. Where are we? So bass design, add a little bit of this on there. Now, this isn't the main part of it. Obviously, you can use your own delays, own reverbs and stuff. The main part of this effect that I was hearing is this. We use this this fat. It's a free plugin by SoundSpot. Really cool plugin. What I really like about it is you can get some really sort of nice sort of squelchy, scratchy effects with it by getting creative with these filters. So if I just put this down, for example, and if I put the resonance up a little bit, you can create some really nice sort of movement with the percussion sound. So if I just come in and click automation, I'm just going to actually just draw a little bit in. What I'm going to do here now is I'm just going to actually hit in with the pencil. Do something a bit like that. I'm also then going to bring this down a touch. And you can then come back to your resonance and sort of see how much of that you want. So the tracks that I was listening to really had this sort of nice phased sort of high resonance sort of movement to them. I'll play these two together. And you can obviously go in and do as much or as little of this as you like. Get creative with it, But bring these down and find the sort of sweet spot as well. Concentrate on this one first. So you want to test the resonance and this sort of, you could do whatever you want with this. It's up to yourself. But I'm just going to do something a bit like that. You'd obviously spend a little bit more time as well on the groove that you want. I'm just showing you just quickly. So find the resonance sweet spot as well. Just gives it a nice bit of groove. Let's go on and do the same with the other one. Again, I'm just going to copy these effects across for the purpose of this. That. And with this one, where are we? And again with this, let's go a bit less with this one, shall we? Let's draw in some cut off again. Let's try bringing these down a touch. Oop, ignore that, sorry. Turn the latch off. So it's all about just testing it out, seeing what works. And not every loop's going to work like this, but this is the sort of sound I was hearing a lot in the tracks. And that with a nice sort of driving bass line sounded really good on these sort of sets that I was listening to. As I say, it gives it that sort of bit of an older sound. You have to tweak it a little bit more to get it perfect. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you that if you're looking for a little bit more movement in your percussion sounds. Obviously, it sounds better in context with the track. But yeah, be sure to check that out. Have a little experiment and see what sort of works for yourselves. Yeah, I think it's a cool little technique. Yeah, thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you are enjoying these videos, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, if you haven't done so yet, please join the AM Studios production community. I will leave a link in the comment section below. And when you join that, you'll get exclusive sort of tips and tricks sent to your inbox directly. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.